String the base cord to the lobster clasp. The bead is optional. We can see that the base cord is not folded in half. This is to attach the jump ring. We will explain how it works later. Take the 4 working cords. The colors are in gradient order: blue, green, pink, and purple. Use half-square knots to attach the working cords to base cord. Start with blue. Left blue goes over other working cords. Right blue goes under other working cords. Make half-square knot. The next one is green. Left green comes up, right green goes below. Make half-square knot. Pink goes next. Purple last. Start to repeat. We now have reached the end of the shorter base cord. String the bead and the jump ring. Adjust so from the lobster clasp to the jump ring is the desired bracelet length. Continue with the half-square knots.